Myself, Devi Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. Today, our topic is data storage in cloud computing. Data storage management includes a set of tools to configure, backup, assign to users according to defined policies. Service level agreements, that is SLA, support clear business objectives, reduced risk mitigation levels, and legal issues. Data storage management tools maintaining storage devices is a tedious job for storage administrators. They adapt some utilities to monitor and manage storage devices. Management level tasks are configuration, migration, provisioning, archiving, and storage monitoring or reporting. Storage resource management tools include configuration tools, provisioning tools, and measurement tools. Configuration tools means it handles the setup of storage resources. These tools help to organize and manage RAID devices by assigning the groups, defining levels, or assigning spare drives. The second one is provisioning tools. Provisioning tools define and control access to storage resources for preventing a network user for being able to use any other user storage. The third one is measurement tools that analyze performance based on behavioral information about the storage device. An administrator can use that information for future capacity and upgrade planning. Data storage challenges. Managing traditional storage devices is a complicated task because of high operations cost, performance, and scalability issues. Some challenges we face during data storage. Massive data demand, the first one is. The second one is performance barrier, and the third one is power consumption and cost consumption. The alternative for this challenge, we are using the unified storage. What is unified storage? A new innovative solution, unified storage, is developed and addresses the issues discussed earlier. Because basically, this type of storage solution is a combination of NAS and SAN and termed as NUS, that is Network Unified Storage. The main advantage of this system is reduced cost, and it supports fiber channel and ISCSI, that is integrated small computer device, which is used to connect the peripheral devices and the computer. Thank you.